Hi, my name is Lindsay Vines. I'm a first grade teacher at Peach Creek Elementary, and I'm going to show you how to use the Google extension Talk and Comment. This is going to be this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. Talk and Comment is a Chrome extension that is like Mo, where you can record your voice, but you don't have to put the voice recording in comments. You can put it pretty much anywhere, including Google Forms. So you'll start by downloading it for the Chrome extension. Once you have it downloaded, you'll have a little microphone that pops up on the side of your screen, and I use this exit ticket to show you an example. You'll click the microphone. Before you leave class today, answer the following questions. You'll record this link that pops up, enter it into wherever you want it to go, and when you preview, it'll record it just like this. Before you leave class today, answer the following questions. This way, you will be able to record for any students who possibly need oral admin, or just for students who would like to hear your voice instead of reading it on a screen. I hope this was helpful. Links and tutorials for Talk and Comment can be found under the Digital Learning button on the SISC Teaching and Learning Hub. Just press the Canvas button through your ClassLink portal and open up the Teaching and Learning Hub. Then choose the Digital and Online Learning button to find this app and other great tech tools. I hope you found this Tech Tip Tuesday beneficial and you're able to use Talk and Comment with your students, whether it be to differentiate or for them just to be able to hear your voice. And always meet us back here next week for our Tech Tip Tuesday.